You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting Native American names as well that many struggle with. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, okay? In British English, it's often said as Iroquois, okay? Iroquois, with a stress on the first syllable. Now, in American English, they say it rather as Iroquois, and that's because this is originally a name given by the French, and in French it's said as Iroquois, okay? So the American pronunciation Iroquois is closer to the original French pronunciation, while British English has a bit deviated. Iroquois, they say it. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.